So, like I was saying, I made shackles. And we'll cut those off later on. But now, that shackle will not just fall apart unless one of these big bolts breaks. And I don't think that's going to happen. Wish I had some air tools or some cordless battery ran stuff. I'll be right back. This is what I call my workout. I'm working out every day because I got no air tools or electric. We even have a handsaw to cut bolts off. I needed to cut a bolt earlier today. Busted out the hacksaw. Now, I know those are a little loose, but it's part of the experience of driving an old car. They don't have as tight as the new ones. So the next thing I do is I gotta straighten my U-bolts up. So we'll be back when we get the axle mounted in there.